November 1 is the sentencing date for a Jamaican man who was convicted yesterday in a case of revenge porn. The man, 53-year-old Donovan Powell, pleaded guilty to 3 counts of malicious communication under the Cybercrimes Act. Now, the victim, a former news anchor at the NBC affiliate in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, told her story in the popular TED Talk series, where she stressed the need for safeguards against revenge porn.
Darieth Chisholm spoke before an attentive crowd in June last year as she shared her harrowing experience as a victim of revenge porn.
My manipulative, jealous, stalker ex-boyfriend did exactly what he said he would do. He put up a website with my name on it, and he posted this and this and several explicit photos that he had taken of me while I was asleep living with him in Jamaica. For months prior to that, he had been sending me threatening text messages like this. He was trying to make me out to be some sleazy, low-life slut. He'd even threatened to kill me. He told me that he would shoot me in my head and stab me in my heart simply because I wanted to end the controlling relationship.
For Ms. Chisholm, the act was not just a case of revenge porn or cyber harassment. She instead calls it digital domestic violence. The former news anchor lamented the lack of federal laws in the United States to adequately protect victims and punish perpetrators.
There's only one federal bill pending. It's called the Enough Act by Senator Kamala Harris. It would criminalize revenge porn, but that could take years to pass. So what are we left with in the meantime? Flimsy civil misdemeanors. Currently, only 40 states and D.C. have some laws in place for revenge porn, and those penalties vary. We're talking $500 fines.
She also shared the difficulty she faced in seeking justice.
I just couldn't give up. I had to keep fighting. So I willingly, on 3 occasions, allowed for the invasion of both my cell phone and my laptop by the Department of Homeland Security and the Jamaican Embassy for thorough forensic investigation because I had maintained all of the evidence. I painstakingly shared my private parts with the all-male investigative team, and it was an embarrassing, humiliating, additional hoop to jump through. But then something happened. Jamaican authorities actually arrested him.
The incident happened over 2 years ago. Ms. Chisholm's ex-boyfriend Donovan Powell on Monday pleaded guilty to sending malicious content, the creation of a website, and placing the images on the site for other persons to view. He will be sentenced in November.